Hey, this is Marco. In this video I'm going to show you how to check message count with someone on WhatsApp. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is open up WhatsApp and open up the chat from someone. And then if you have not a lot of messages, you can always just count them. But if you have, click on the top to open up the profile. And then you want to click on export chat and then just click on without media. Then it's going to export the chat and just save it to files, let's say under downloads. And then if we go to files, as you can see, it's right over here. I want to unzip it and wait for it to open. And that's pretty much it. The only thing you need to do is I would recommend, you want to tap on the bottom right on the search and you just want to put in this bracket and it tells you 16. So because each of these brackets represents a message. So as you can see, I have 16 messages with this person. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.